Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford, Mind for Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. What do we got today, folks? Today is the 21st of January 2023. And of course, 21 days into the new year's, things are amazing. Now, just to let you know a few things about what I have been doing. I only started with crypto August last year. Why? Because I was away on a 7-year holiday in Australia. But anyway, that's history. Let's move on. Now, what we got here today is LTC auto mining. And if you already joined this, and I've got us, let me show you referrals. All these wonderful people who have joined this site through my referral, 116 of you, and only 5 of you had invested a bit of money into the system. Now, I want to talk a bit more about investing and how it can have an impact in your life. Now, investing is actually making a sacrifice of some of your wages, or you can use what they call OPM or leverage. It's called bank's money. You go and see them, ask them to get some money to help you with your investments. Otherwise, just each week, put away a small amount of money, say for example $50 or $100, and do a little bit of investing with it. Now that's a small seed in any body's term regarding an investment. It doesn't matter. That small seed of yours can grow, and this is some of the areas that I highly recommend that you invest a bit of it in here. LTC mining, auto mining. What it does, it mines literally Litecoins for you. Now, I'm going to show you how it's done. If you have already joined, please come in, take a bit of money, go into what it's called speed up Litecoin mining, and these are the contracts that gives you an option how much you can invest in the system, and and actually tells you exactly how much you're going to get each day. For example, if you invest $10, you're going to get $1 each day. For example, that's what they say. $30, $1.35. If you went up to $300, you get $16.50 each day, ready to be harvested. Now that only lasts for 30 days. 30 days, then you're going to make another investment, of course. And as we climb up the staircase, $1,000, you get 58.5 Litecoin every day. Now, Litecoin is worth 89, 99, $90 at the moment for one coin. That's what you're mining here. So whatever the amount of mining you're mining here, you are literally mining Litecoin. Now, if it gets, if you've got a bit of cash in your pocket, $5,000 invested into the system will buy you 308 Litecoins every day. You come in here and you collect that profit every day, and that profit will be posted up for you, ready to be transferred back in your cryptocurrency bank or exchange or wallet. And if you've got 10K, you get to come in here and collect $650 each day, 2,000, $20,000, 1,350. You can come and collect every day. And if you put 50,000 into the system, you can come in here collect $300 and $500 a day. Now, these are actual promises in written contract. You don't have to think about it. You just got to do your sum, and then 40 days in these particular 130 and 40 days, this will run out, and you're going to have to reinvest. But your money will be still sitting in the system. Now, you don't have to. That's entirely up to you. Now, I'm going to show you how to go through withdrawal. Withdrawal history, where are we? I'm just going to take a little bit of withdrawal out of the system. Now, before I go there, let me show you how much I have actually deposited. Bugger all. In the beginning, I was testing the system out, and you can see it was only $50 with the dollar the company gives all of us when we join the site. That is working tremendously, that small amount. And if you have a look here, my earnings, every day my earnings, I come here and just collect my earnings. Hold on, let me go down to the 20th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 payments yesterday coming into me. They're all small, of course, because I only got a small investment. Now, however, in regards to referrals, those are people you help to come into the site, helping you to come into the site. And if you invest a bit of money, I get a little portion of your investment. Just likewise, if you introduce it to other people, you will get a bit of a return on your investment with other people. That's called referral, or in some cases, it is called affiliation or affiliate marketing. That works pretty well. It's another way you can earn an income if you want to join these sites and try and build income from just one website. Just introduce as many people as you can, and also introduce it in a way that these people will invest money in their own mining app, not just to join, because it is a beautiful system. It does work, and that's why I came in here to show you. I'm going to do a bit of withdrawal and send it back to my exchange. Now, firstly, I'm going to show you my exchange. That's all it's got in the moment, 83 cents. I don't leave money in my exchange. The mere reason is it's got to be making me money. Now, the only other reason I will put money in my exchange or wallet, it's when I see like right now, actually, I should be loading up a lot more on just all the other coins that are moving rapidly uphill. Now, the key point is we got to be able to do this. And the reason being, as I have shown you here, I'm going to do a bit of withdrawal. Oh, I'm losing words. What's the matter? Anyway, let's go back. I just want to show you before we do the withdrawal. It does work. Now, we'll go back into the Litecoin, auto mining, Litecoin auto mining. I'm going to make a withdrawal request. Now, the withdrawal request, most of it's already been preloaded because I have been taking money out of the system. And as you can see, that's the withdrawal request I have made so far. $6.50, $22, $2.60, $20, and $25. Now, that's the history. What we're going to do is go into withdrawal funds, make a withdrawal request, get me out of the way, and then these buttons will show you exactly how much is ready or where the coins is ready to be harvested. In this case, of course, it's Litecoin. I got $6.13 there that I'm going to request to send to my wallet, and all we're going to do is put that number up here, $6.13. I know it's not a lot, but every profit, it's a good profit. And that's also determined by how much I invest. It's not much. Make sure you click up the top there. Make sure you click Litecoin. And of course, the code has already been pasted there. And it remembers it because I've been doing it with my other withdrawals. Okay, once you have put the numbers up, then you put a request in. It goes to the next stage, confirm. Now, if that's all correct, I'm going to go to my wallet. And you press confirm. Of course, there's your how much you're going to transfer. Once that confirmation has been confirmed, I'm not too sure what's happening, but that should be clicked. Oh yeah, no, sorry, it's loading. Today's just one of those slow days. I can see it on my my browser there. Okay, there we go. That has been loaded. So if you go to withdrawal again, then withdrawal history, it should show it's pending. There we go. It's done. That's all completed. All we're going to do now is come into your wallet or your exchange and wait for it to arrive. Now, what I'm going to do now is refresh this and wait for it to show up on my wallet. It's a simple procedure. And of course, all I've done is pay a little bit of investment into the system. I need to top up a bit more and really get this cranking deposit. I need to just crank up a bit more of my investment and really push this machine to, generate a bit of income. Now, the point is, if you have joined and you're looking at my video again, please grab some money, go do exchange. Or if you haven't got a crypto exchange, I should have a list of them down the bottom here, crypto.com, Binance, or even if you already got a crypto wallet, you can also use those to transfer some of the income into here and allow it to work for you. Now, this is legit. It's nothing as a scam as some people might have called it, because I am certainly making withdrawal from the machine, from the app, of course. Now, the app or the people that owns the app has also made a reference that something wonderful is happening in the future. They're going to continue to expand their business with mining Litecoin. When it says here, due to rapid growth for investors in the past few days, technical team have upgraded the server and will provide much better services for all Litecoin auto mining. So there's a lot of improvement happening, and I can't emphasize strongly enough. Get some money, come in here and put some in your investment pocket. Here are the system that you can follow. I suggest $300 and you can harvest $16 every day. And that's the simplicity of it. You don't have to do anything. You just shove some money into it. 30 days, you got that money sitting in here making you this amount of money. And you all you do is come like what, come in every day, collect your 1650, transfer it back in your safe haven. The safe haven could be your wallet or your exchange. But the system works very, very well. And of course, while we're talking about that sort of system, down the bottom of my video, there'll be links for you to join LTC auto mining or any other cryptocurrency wallet or exchange down below my video. And of course, more importantly, please subscribe to my video. It's a goal that I want to reach. A 1,000 subscriber, then hopefully Google will be able to accept me as one of their highly enthusiastic, I think is the word, content provider, because I'm trying to help as many as I can people to get into the systems, because online business is here to stay. Now remember, COVID 2020, people were encouraged to stay home, and the people who took the opportunity to build themselves an online business or a secondary online income are doing really, really well. These are very similar. You don't have to do it full time, do it part time, and hopefully in the near future, this online income generator can take over your current income. And one of the most beautiful thing about it, you can utilize this process anywhere around the world. Wherever you're going around the world, you access your system or your business or your online money making system and continue to manage it wherever you are having a holiday, and you don't have to carry a factory, and it's all done with your smartphone and computers or laptop, and that's the brilliance of it. Blockchain has also brought to us another wonderful process that the genius that put that all together. I tell you, once the blockchain, now blockchain is just this thing here I've just shown you, from Litecoin, okay, to my exchange. Now let me refresh this to see where this money is. Has it arrived from my transfer? And it should show up here, LTC, in a moment. Let me refresh that and see if it's arrived, just to give you a live show of what is happening. No, it still has not arrived yet. Now we're just going to keep waiting and keep making this video and talk a lot about important things that hopefully are going to help you invest successfully in the future. And there's so many opportunities. This is not the only one. This is just one that I'm showing you, but there are great opportunities with crypto. And if cryptocurrencies are here to, as God's way of sharing wealth with people, I can guarantee you're only going to get into a one or two of the system, apply it, like add some investment. That means some of your income into the system, and you watch your money grow. It is a miracle. It is a modern day miracle, 2023, and we got access to these things basically through your digital devices. That's your smartphone, your computers, your laptop, or however you can get online. And the beauty of this, it's accessible at home. You can do all this at home, spare time. Okay, I'm already doing it full time because I need to build a big business. I need to generate quite a bit of income from all these processes. That's the other form of income. As you have known, my YouTube videos. I haven't generated any income from YouTube videos yet. I need to be able to reach 1,000 first before Google can probably look at my applications, and that's why I need your faith. And of course, I really appreciate 400, nearly 450 people already signed up or subscribed to my video. So one of the other points, when you subscribe to my video, you're going to get a notice in your end to say, Stephen's made another video. Would you like to have a look at it? And of course, I'm going to make videos that is beneficial to help you grow your bank balance. And that's the key. It's all about your bank balance. So whatever the balance you have up here in the future, that's the key. You might look at mine and I've already got 86 cents. That's all right. Don't worry about it. I don't leave my coins just sitting here. I'm always moving them all around, wherever that my coins can be growing instead of just relying on capital gains. That means the coins values rises high, which is already happening, but it's a bit slow. And that's half the reason I move my coins throughout the websites wherever that I think it's going to generate more income than just sitting here waiting for capital gain. Now let's have another look and see if that LTC has arrived. And if it has, then you'll see live These transfers, they do work. Okay, head has arrived. There we go. $6.19, and of course my balance now is up to $7. So you can see things work. There's no scam. Whatever people tells you, but you can say, Mr. Ford said, it works. He even showed me a video of a live transfer. Now this is my bank account that I've just transferred that money into, and I do a lot of these transfer from time to time whenever any of my websites or apps that's creating me extra income. Then I just simply just transfer it into my Litecoin. Once it comes into Litecoin, it's registered as a legal tender. That's called blockchain. Once it's in the blockchain system, it's registered, it's a legal entity, you can use it anywhere around the world. And that's the beauty about blockchain. Now, blockchain, okay, I don't really know, really. I'm just giving you some idea of what I believe blockchain is and what I have read off it in the past. They call it blocks because every block has certain information in it. And if you're transfer inside that block, it's recorded for everybody to see throughout the world. So really, nobody can scam others because it's trackable. Wherever my money is going to go to, it's going to be tracked all the way through the blockchain systems, and the cops will chase you down if you try scamming me. That's how easy it is. Not only that, I send my boys out to track you down if you try and scam any of my friends also. So stay away from scams. This is not about scam. This is called legitimate creating yourself a fortune for the future for yourself and your family, and you can go and enjoy your life with it. It's pretty simple. You just got to stop your fear, get rid of your fear, get rid of all the negativity that you hear from other people. Now, one thing I will say, do not listen to idiots. That's what people who's never done anything like this in their life, and they say, "Oh, don't go near there." Don't listen to them. That they know nothing. The only person that's going to know for sure it's you by putting it into practice. And if you have people like myself encouraging you, we know what we're talking about. We're not exactly perfect, but we can say we have tested some of these systems. You can trust it, put a bit of effort into it. You got to believe in it, and also put a bit of cash in it as an investment, and you watch your money grow. Okay. Now I'm going to update my account soon, and I'm going to show that video accordingly when I put more money into this investment LTC auto mining investment process. But anyway, Stephen Alford from Alford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.